Hello crafters, I have a new haul for you. This is a die haul from DIY Art Bin Store, and Eric asked me to guest design for them, and of course I said yes because I love dies. And wait till you see the ones that he sent to me. They are so stinking cute. So I'm opening the package now, and this is their store. Hold on one second, sorry. Right here, DIY Art Bin Store. They're on AliExpress. And they give this little thing for you if you want, if you purchase from them, go ahead and give them a shout out to do the review. All you got to do is scan that on your phone. But anyway, let's get to the first die. Is this not stinking cute? So it is a little gingerbread guy, and it spells the word joy. So Joy. Is that not stinking cute? Comes with a little bow, little eyes, and a little heart. And of course, the little icing, can't forget that. And then I thought this was super precious. So this is a little bird and two little mice, and then you get some Christmas leaves and then the berries. So I love that. That is super cute. And of course, the little branch here. And then you have a super cute little gingerbread girl that comes with a bow and the little clothing accessories. I love that. I cannot wait to make these. So because I'm gingerbread obsessed. And then this one is super cute too. You have your little gingerbread boy, and he's kind of got like a little cupcake head and a little bow tie. I guess it could be a little gingerbread girl too. So you could do either or because it has a little skirt right there. That's adorable. I love it. And it has little accessories like little icing and candy cane, eyeballs, etc. Little pieces to put on top of there. So I love that for the cheeks, the buttons, etc. Love that. And then here's another super cute one. We have a little winter girl. She has like a little cupcake. You could do a boy too. I see they got the little hair, the little icing. I think that these are really super cute, fun dies. Looks like you could make a little reindeer out of it too. How cute is that? I love anything that has a lot of accessories, so that way it can expand my die into making many more than just one die. So I love that. And then I thought this was really super cute. It kind of goes together. So you have your, okay, sorry about that. It took me a second. I just want to make sure that these kind of go together. So here is the little autumn or fall related gnome, and it is so stinking cute. I cannot wait to make this one. It has lots of little accessories, and I believe that if I'm correct, you can also use these to make it a Santa. So I'm definitely going to try that out just to make sure. It looks like you definitely can. Let me see if I can compare. I believe so. So that's really cute. I love that I can have lots of accessories for this. And then we have the cute little Frosty the Snowman with a little dog. He's got like a little candy cane that, you know, holds in his arm. I love that. And of course you have the add-on pieces, so that makes it easy to do the layering. So he looks like he's truly holding on to the candy cane. I love that. So everything is super adorable. I cannot wait to make this one too. And I'm wondering if maybe even possibly I could interchange some of the hats. So I'm wondering if I could put on one of these little Santa hats on here. I bet you I could. That looks cute. I definitely think so. But anyway, and then also they sent me this cute little bag that I can give as a, you know, put some gifts in here and give it away. So anyway, guys, definitely check out their store. Don't forget, his name is Eric. He is the seller name. And his store is DIY Art Bin Store. I will have all the links down below for the shop as well as to purchase each one of these. I hope you get them all because they're all stinking cute. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful and fabulous day, and I will be seeing you again soon with some tutorials. Bye.